Hello, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a cold brew martini. So I kind of forgot to upload a video yesterday, even though I said I'm doing daily videos. I got lost deep in a Tiger King marathon. I ended up watching the whole 7 episodes back to front, start to finish. Yeah, I hibernated for the whole entire day and just watched a ton of Tiger King. And then didn't make a cocktail. So it's actually really early here. It's 10 a.m. So therefore I need a coffee and I want to make a coffee cocktail. I know I made a coffee cocktail yesterday, but that's what I want to drink. So you're gonna have to watch me make it. This one calls for 60 ml of vodka. So I'm using Headland Distilling Co. I think I should know this. This is made from barley. If you're in Australia, check out their website. I'll leave a link in the description. Make sure you grab a bottle and support local. I have a lot of people asking me about the 300,000 subscribers, which we hit just a day and a half ago. Amazing, absolutely massive. Lots of people wanted me to do a shots video. I was waiting for a device to arrive so I could actually live stream and do a live stream shots video. I didn't say I was going to do it at 300, I said I was going to do it at 350. So you guys are going to have to hold on, be a little bit patient, and I'll get to that. So 15 ml Amaro Montenegro. Now if you don't have Amaro Montenegro, you could try substituting it for another liqueur or Amaro, maybe a Verna possibly. It's going to produce a different result, but if you don't have it and you want to experiment, then give it a go. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. Then this is a cold drip. So if you don't have a cold drip, cold brew concentrate, you just need to make sure that there's enough intensity of the coffee to translate through to the cocktail and also to give it that nice foam and texture. So if you want to, again, I'll leave a couple more links in the description below so you can make your own cold drip or cold brew at home. And then 15 mils of honey. There's a 1-to-1 syrup, 1 part honey to 1 part water. Add ice to your shaker and give it a shake. It's looking good. Into a chilled glass. I have my doubts if it's going to fit into this one, but we'll see. Maybe just. Three coffee beans laid on top. Now, admittedly, this crema, this foam, isn't as good as my standard espresso martini recipe. Still looks nice. Not as thick and prominent though. I think that maybe with the sugar content, there's not a lot of. It's not a strong. It's only a 1-to-1 honey syrup. So maybe if I went 2-to-1, it would be a little bit more viscous and work nicer. Work better. They have a cold brew martini, and it doesn't have doesn't look as deep and rich as a classic espresso martini. Let's see how it tastes. It's good. It's rich with the coffee. I like you get the bitter notes and the citrus from the Montenegro. Slight subtle vanilla notes as well. It's pretty tasty. It doesn't seem to have the velvety texture of a classic espresso martini though. I like it, and it's good for breakfast. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.